In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write a Shopify product description using ChatGPT. The goal here is to create a product description that sounds clear, persuasive, and helpful to shoppers, while still staying accurate to the product you're selling. A strong description can improve trust, highlight value, and make your product page feel more polished. Start by gathering all of the product details you'll need before opening ChatGPT. This includes the product name, its main features, the materials it's made from, the dimensions, the key benefits, and who the ideal customer is. The more accurate and complete your information is at the beginning, the better the final description will be. This step is important because ChatGPT works best when it has solid source material to work from. Next, open ChatGPT and clearly explain that you need a Shopify product description. Give it the context right away so the response is tailored to e-commerce rather than something generic. Once you've done that, paste in all of the accurate product information you collected. Be careful to include only verified details, since the final copy should be based on facts, not assumptions. After that, specify your brand voice and your preferred description length. For example, you might want the tone to feel modern, luxurious, friendly, minimalist, or professional. You should also tell ChatGPT whether you want something short and punchy or more detailed. This helps the writing match your store's overall style. Then ask ChatGPT to focus on customer benefits instead of only listing features. Features tell people what the product has, but benefits help explain why those details matter in everyday use. This makes the description more engaging and more useful for buyers. You'll also want to request a complete structure, a headline, a short introduction, benefit-focused bullet points, and a more detailed description. This gives you organized copy that's easier to paste into a Shopify product page and easier for customers to scan. Next, ask for relevant SEO keywords to be added naturally. The keyword here is naturally. You want the description to support search visibility without sounding forced or repetitive. Once the draft is ready, review it carefully and remove anything incorrect, exaggerated, or too vague. If any part feels weak or repetitive, ask ChatGPT to rewrite those sections until the copy feels strong and polished. When everything looks good, open the product inside Shopify admin, paste in the completed description, and format it so it's easy to read. Finally, preview the product page on both desktop and mobile before saving it so you can make sure the layout, spacing, and readability all look right.